All right, and welcome back, my many fans. I'm glad that you're back to my videos here. We're going to do some real world problems. Awesome. Ms. Grande bought 24 apples and 18 oranges for a party after a class play. This sounds like a great party. Lots of healthy foods. Find the ratio of the number of apples to the total pieces of fruit Ms. Grande brought. So I'm going to do apples to total. Well, I have 24 apples. So I can put that one down. So the total, I'm going to have to add them together. 24 plus 18. Well, 24 plus 20 gives me 44. Minus 2 gives me 42. So there is my ratio. Now, these can both be simplified. They are both divisible by the number 6. Divided by 6. Divided by 6. And I end up with 4 sevenths. Beautiful. You should always simplify if you can. All right, there are 44 chicken and fish fillets all together in a freezer. Sounds like a very interesting freezer there. Stocking up for the apocalypse, perhaps. There are 12 chicken fillets. What is the ratio to the number of chicken fillets to the number of fish fillets in the freezer? So I'm looking for chicken fillets to fish fillets in the freezer. There are 44 altogether. There are 12 chicken fillets. So I need to do 44 minus 12 here, which means there must be 32 fish fillets. And I'm thinking, oh my goodness, these are both divisible by 4. So I become 4. No, not 12 divided by 4 is not 4. It is 3. 32 divided by 4 is 8. Uh-oh, I hit it. It became a little bit blurry there. Good, because I was making a mistake. That's okay. Mistakes are good. We grow our brain. All right, number 3. There were 12 boys and 18 girls in a class. Then 3 more boys joined the class and 2 girls left. What is the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in the class now? Boys to girls. We started off with 12 boys and 18 girls, plus 3 boys joined, 2 girls left, minus 2. We then had 15 boys to 16 girls, our ratio 15 to 16. Neither have the same factors, so that is our answer. All right, number 4, Monica had $42 and Naomi had $18 at first. Monica then gave $6 to Naomi. What is the ratio of the amount of money Monica has to the amount of money Naomi has in the end? Monica to Naomi. All right, Monica that is interesting. Monica started with $42 and Naomi started with $18. Monica gave $6 to Naomi, so she lost $6. Naomi gained $6. 42 minus 6 is 36. 18 plus 6 is 24. So in the end, Monica had $36 and Naomi had $24. These numbers are both divisible by 12, which gives us 3 to 2. Cool. The amount of money that they had in the end was Monica had $3 for every $2 Naomi had. All right, next one here. In a competition, the ratio of the number of tickets Mark collected to the number of tickets Julia collected is 4 to 3. Julia's collected 36 tickets. How much did they collect all together? Well, I'm going to do Mark to Julia, 4 to 3. Now I can think of this 2 ways. I can do Mark has 1, 2, 3, 4 to Julia's 1, 2, 3. If Julia collected 36 over 3 units, each of these units, 36 divided by 3 is 12. They collected, so each of these boxes has 12 in it. 12, 12, 12, 12. So that means 12 times 7 is 84 tickets all together. Or I could think of it as this. 3 to 36 is times 12. That means on this side I must multiply by 12 and I get 48. and then add those two together, and I will get 84. Cool, man. All right, next one. The ratio of number of stamps Calvin has to the number of stamps Roger has is 7-3. Roger has 18 stamps. How many stamps do they have altogether? Similar thing. We have Calvin to Roger, 7-3. Roger has 18. Here's Calvin. And Roger, here's Calvin, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 Rogers, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Roger has 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Each of these boxes is 6. Together I have 10 boxes. So together they have 60 stamps. All right. On a Saturday, the ratio of the amount of water used by household A to the amount of water used by household B was 13-5. A to B, that looks like a 13. 13-5. Household A used 260 gallons of water for that day. Find the total amount of water used by the two households. So we went from 13 to 260. So what did we multiply by? Well, 260 divided by 13. 13 goes into 26 twice. So multiply by 20. So here we have to multiply our 5 by 20. 5 times 20 is 100. I can add those two together, and I end up with 360 gallons. Remember, whatever you're doing to side A, you have to do to side B. All right. Cool. A cleaning solution and water are mixed in the ratio of 4-15. 4-15, cleaning solution to water. Yeah, usually a lot more water in this. All right, the amount of water in the mixture is 1,200 milliliters. 1,200 milliliters. What is the total volume? So we have to figure out 1,200 divided by 15. 1,200 divided by 15. 15 divided by 100. 1 doesn't go into 1, doesn't go into 1. 12 goes in 120 8 times. 8 times 15 is 120. 0, bring down the 0. 15 goes into 0 8 times, 80 times. So I multiplied by 80. 4 times 80 gives me 160. No, that's not right. Why would you guys let me do that? 4 times 80 gives me 320. 320 to 1,200. Add them together. 1,200 plus 320, 0, 2, 5, 1,520 milliliters total volume. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon filled with warmth and sunshine. Adios.